To find the slope of the line connecting these points, use the slope formula. First, label the coordinates x1 and y1, then x2 and y2. Let's make this one x1 and this one y1. This one becomes x2 and this one becomes y2. Plug these coordinates into their corresponding place in the formula. y2 goes here, y1 goes here. x2 goes here, and x1 goes here, and make a note of the negative sign. Simplify the numerator and denominator. 2 minus 2 is 0. 3 minus a negative 1 is 4. And then simplify the fraction. Since 0 is in the numerator, then the slope of this line is 0. And you can see that this is a horizontal line connecting the 2 points.